This is my advocacy. Corruption steals public money that should be used for schools, hospitals, and public service. Government officials who accept bribes, break the law, and destroy public trust. Corruption increases poverty by preventing equal access to opportunities. Honest citizens suffer when corrupt, corrupt system control public institutions. Fighting corruption requires strong laws, trans- transparency, and responsibility leadership. Figurative statement. Corruption is a poison slowly spreading through the veins of society. It acts like a shadow that darkness even the brightness hope of the people. Corruptly build walls between the government and its citizens, allowing corruption to continue is like letting a fire burn while everyone looks away. Integrity is the light that can guide a nation out of the darkness of corruption. Campaign. Corruption means public funds that should support education, healthcare, and community programs. Officials who engage in corruption violate the, the law and public trust. Corruption limits access to basic service, especially for low-income communities. Honest workers and citizens are disadvantaged by corrupt systems. Figurative statement. Corruption is a threat that steals the future of the next generation. It spreads like gas, slowly, slowly weakening the foundations of society. Corruption builds invisible chains that hold progress back. Turning a blind eye to corruption is like allowing weeds to choke a growing garden. Integrity is the bridge that can lead the nation toward